Okay, this is my post drill I just picked up. Yeah, this one has been modified to take this little motor here. This is an aftermarket deal, I do believe. But yeah, this is it. It does need restoration because it is pretty tight. All of this here, you can just feel how tight it is on here. So I will be taking this apart soon to start restoring it. I've been looking around to see what kind of numbers I can find on it. And the only thing I can find is just right around here. Those numbers there. I think it's PB36 or 30, something like that. Not too for sure. But that's the only thing I can find on it. If y'all know where I can actually look for more numbers on the thing, let me know to see when it was manufactured. Somebody told me it was the late 1800s. I don't know. The pole is also aftermarket. Somebody put that on there. But let's see if y'all remember something. Old folks will know what that little thing is for. Anybody know what that is? Goes on Grandpa's truck. Yeah, little. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Little foot switch. Yeah. Even this is not even catching. So, yeah, I still gotta do that. I might keep that switch on there. That was a pretty cool little switch there. Probably came off somebody's grandpa's truck. Don't know if I'm going to keep this motor. Probably replace it, get a newer motor on it. Get a new belt on it. Take this whole thing apart, sandblast it, repaint it, re-grease everything. Yeah, there it is. All right, thanks for watching.